I've just been to a Instagram stories workshop. I can't concentrate.
That says 2008, not 2018.
It's a Thursday lunchtime. I've just been to a Instagram stories workshop, which has been really useful and informative. I thought I kind of knew a reasonable amount about Instagram, but I picked up quite a lot of new extra things, so it kind of goes to show that it's definitely always worth trying to do a little bit of training and trying to always learn a bit more. Yeah, so if you don't see more of me doing stuff on Instagram, give me a nudge, because I'm obviously not putting my training to good use.
As you can see, it's a remarkably sunny day today. Just been finding it really hard to actually focus and do anything. I just kind of want to be outside enjoying the sun. But I do need to get this board finished because I feel I'd deliver it to the pub by the end of the week. And I just remembered that my car's going in for its MOT tomorrow, so I won't be able to do it tomorrow because I can't get there. So I'm trying to get it all finished today or this afternoon. And like I said, I just can't concentrate. I keep kind of getting up, pottering around, grabbing snacks, and I just kind of sit down and get my arse into gear. Just need to kind of find a bit of discipline and keep going.
Hi, I just wanted to make an inquiry about one of your products, please. It's regarding the white dye-bond aluminium composite panel, and I'm just wondering if you were able to provide roughly how much a certain size would weigh. Brilliant, thank you ever so much. Blimey, it's still heavy. My work now involves, which I never thought it would, is making inquiries to companies like Cut Plastic Sheeting and asking about the weights of aluminium composite panels. Just to put this in context, that it's not that I've now developed a new hobby of looking into industrial plastics, is I've had an inquiry to do a hand-painted sign. The client was asking me to provide the board that was going to be painted on, and up to this point I've always been provided with the painting surface or the surface that needs designing on. The world of industrial materials is quite new to me, and I don't want to order the wrong thing or suggest the wrong material for the job. I'll get back to them and let them know what I found out.
Monday morning here in sunny Tetbury for a marketing meeting and catch up at the Royal Oak Pub. Good morning. First job for Tuesday, I've got to scoot off over to the art centre in Cirencester because someone spotted yesterday that the Roman numerals are missing an X, so it says 2008 rather than 2018. So contacted the owners, apologised, they were totally fine about it. So they said they hadn't noticed either. So yeah, I'm going to head over now just to correct that bit. If I'm lucky, maybe grab a coffee and a cake and then get on with the rest of the day. So yeah, I've got to go.
Right, in Cirencester, and as you can see, that says 2008, not 2018. So I just correct that, but rather luxuriously, I've been lent a little studio to do all this in, and I've even been given a coffee, so I'm all set. I'm going to quickly patch that a little bit up because it's been spray varnished. I won't be able to rub it off just with the usual cleaner. Let it dry and then correct it.
Right, so
that's the board updated, and that's done very quickly. That's all just been done within an hour, so at least that's sorted now, and I'll learn to be a bit more careful with dates next time. Still got a couple of hours on parking, so I think what I'll do is once I get outside, I might actually nip up to the cafe and grab a coffee, another coffee, do a little bit kind of project planning. So I need to do that for my other work, and I just keep putting it off, and think I might make the most of being at a different location where they have caffeine and sweet treats to kind of my thoughts. That's quite a creative environment as well, so use that to my advantage. All done.
No, because they moved in.
This little space. I'll maybe try and get something like this for myself at some point.